mfethu le game inenzima le team le Israel kabi ne. Kodwa today we need 4 goals. We need 4 goals sihlale ku number 1. Sipusheni league yethu. Mawefika egate na abafana abadidiza. Badida nje ngazi ukuthi bakusuka kuthini. Uyabona first games amagoli ayi-8 wonke siwashaya out of the box. Bekumnandi lapha ya. If they can do that betestwe lo goalkeeper wabo ngoba le ndoda yabamba le. Esinayo namhlanje. So kumele bezama ukuthi bamshaya ngamafa khona kuba intswembu.
So what today's score prediction?
Ngifuna 4 Brian. Ngifuna 4 ngishimisa isandawana mina. Thank you Pakani. Izo.
Into engizoyikhuluma mina iyodwa. It's not like asifuna ukuya on top. Thina into esifuna ukuyazi thina kokuqala before ngikhuluma into eningi. Esifuna ukwazi thina ukuthi why thina every time twadlala weekend. Yes. Amanye ama team akho ngidlala phana never. So okay, it's fine. Iparati fighter. This is a fighter team there. Yes. So into thina esizoyisho namhlanje. Iwin leso yithola. And
What's your score prediction?
today score sami mina nje u3. No. 3-0. Because of Funucha Sundowns, because of goal difference. Plus, it's not 29 points. Sundowns not 32 points. Na Masuna is not 32 points. Yabona nje uzongitshela ngeKaizer Chiefs mfowethu. Uzongitshela ngehlathi. Mina yazi omakhelwane bethu amakhosi for life. Akusinto ongangitshela yona leyo bhuti omdala. Uyabona nje futhi mina as a supporter for Pirate akusinto ongangitshela. iKaizer Chiefs mina umlilo maphepha. Ukuthi ubani wenzeni ukwenzakalani mina yabona iKaizer Chiefs ngitshela ngayo uyangihlangisa because of I team ejabulisa ama supportayo 2 games 1 game 2 games 1 game draw in sebamba amakhanda mama wina ngoba 1-0 bafuna iReal Madrid bafuna oBarcelona bafuna in so thina as Orlando Pirates supporters asange sifune asifune thina siwine siwinile
I think our strikers are not so fine. They not commit themselves. But I would like to bring back the previous game that we played. In the previous game, the problem was it was not our luck day. So if it's not your day, it's not your day. You can play 150 minutes, you won't score. But today we came here. I see Sundowns has now surpassed us on the league. Now we came here, we're going to show them that this season is our season. We're taking it. Tonight, we're taking 3 points. So it's 3-1 the score.
Problem is midfield. Midfield will be solid. If midfield will be solid, striker will be solid. If midfield will be solid, the back line will be solid. That's the way it is.
Hey, I'm not khotsofetsa haholo. Baby, when I feel like kanjani?
I am over the moon.
How do you feel that?
Mina ngijabule kakhulu yazi into engijabulele kakhulu yini jabulele ukuthi ucoach namhlanje uintroduce ama new players ekade siwafuna mangabe umbonile umlungu mekangena nje besifuna lo yamfutho wakhe vele umlungu ngoba umbuthuma wayesekhathele ne nalo mfana lo obuya kuMarumo Gallants omunye umbonile nje uthi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi sizowabulala lama team lawo oKaizer Chiefs olamthuthu mina ngiyahamba.
Okay, problem one. Barry Sundowns Chiefs your win today was a fluke. How do you respond to that?
Let them come.
Let them come.
Abeze.
Let them come.
Yes,
We are waiting for them.
Lana siyabafuna.
We are waiting for
Thina
them.
ngale game edlalwa
Mabeze siyabafuna lamthuthu siyabacela mabeze.
Mauthi bona. Abana Pakania. Pakania ke team engwe serase yabo. Ha nna re di win ka mo di 1-0. Ka bo I hope re tla wina wabo. Re shapa chu got mane bona. Re bula stadium se setjha. Amstel Arena ya rona yabo. Mapakania re thabile re happy me out yabo. Ska wa ka bo makhelwane man ba tlole ba etsela gata.
Sundowns ya re
Nkemetse jwang a jiwa kamela motho jiwa. Kamela motho jiwa o batla ba o ja hape. Ke bo makhi butsa bo makhi ba ka bo makhi
kana go bua ka bo majuku
ke bua ka bo makhi ba thokoza bo makhosi ba kae ai bauti ka nki Mapakania
Hey, a ke tsebe go bala le ntshekele logo mo re number mamollo go mo ke kula ba bang ba bolela too much mabane
So a ke understand ene ba bang gore ba jile mabane. Mara ke leboa mfano ba reng ke re leboile Mofokeng. Mfano o deserve opportunity e ngwe a yo dlala go overseas man. Danko.
Now I think more Amstel Arena, Ritamele Rinse mo Orlando. Ritamele mo Orlando, maybe here somewhere outside Mosoweto. Because this football is that the guys that are playing here is out of this world. I can say Uwapala Mangeloi or Uwapala Woma.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable football.
Unbelievable.
It's proper football. I can say encouraging.
Do you believe that the way you are playing you are challenging for the league?
See it? League here.
If Messi shine it,
There's no team that is playing like Pirates.
There's Pirates.
There's no team that is playing like
Sinet
Pirates.
Dep.
That's the only team that is playing football in South Africa.
Unbelievable.
You're gonna beat them.
Unbelievable.
Two teams
Unbelievable.
that you are left with them.
Unbelievable. I'm a Pagania.
Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. You want to beat them.
Kuyoba nini iOrlando Pirates ithengo referee iwina ngama offside?
Awazi ukuthi Chiefs. Awazi ukuthi Chiefs unama offside.
Kuyoba nini iOrlando Pirates iwina ngama offside? Ithenga o referee. Angikho happy ngewini yabo. Umfukeng ukori offside. Fakaza Khosi.
Umfukeng ukori offside, gents.
Ni happy mina kho offside la.
Chiefs unama offside.
Nibizo ubani? Ola Mthuthu bayeza webhu.
Hey, igame namhlanje bafethu hayi Pirates yashaya. Ishaya udlula inyawo iPirates. Bekushoda amapanyaza nje.
My man, I did say today, Ogoti, only one goal short. But I did say we are scoring 2 goals. No, it's our time now. We are coming back now. I make sure Pirates.
Shaya udlula inyawo.
Amen.
Mamela mina ngikhosi mara hayi Pagania lishaya abantu hayi kabi.
Idlula inyawo.
Lishaya.
Mina ngishilo mina. Mina into engiyikhulumile ngishilo. Ngishilo ukuthi iPirates ngeke ihlale ngawini la. Ngeke ihlale ngawini. iPirates ohlezi wina every day now and then. So hlezi siwinile. So umbila la so badla njengombila. Wonke umuntu ozosondela kithi Shark Pack.
Chiefs fan ba re le ka offside.
Bayanya amagoli esiwashayile yabona iChiefs nangizowusho lokho bayasinyela Ola Mthuthu bayasinyela skora amakori easy goal thina ufuna ukora umlungu yazi umlungu yazi angiphoqa umlungu wayengakoranga umlungu simnika ibhola sitakakora umlungu sidlalisa umlungu akakora iChiefs ngeke izithathe league ngeke izifike number 2 league ngeke izifike number 3 so ifike number 6 lokuloko number 6 league.
I'm very sorry for Sir Nasreddin Nabi. He was betrayed by his interpreters. His interpreters, when Nabi said attack, the interpreters said defend. Why the interpreters are doing well than Nabi?
Now, I'm surprised you are talking about Nabi when you are playing my game. Why are you talking Nabi when you are playing my game?
Yeah, I'm coming to the game. That was the introduction. Yeah, this was the greatest game. Yeah, Magesi, they were supposed to pay the price. They were supposed to pay the ultimate price. Magesi knocked us out of the Carling Black Label last year. So today they were paying the price. They were paying the price, so...